ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Fish and Grubs. Let me tell you something. I'm really stoked right now. That subscriber count just keeps going up. The link's right here. Get locked into the giveaway. Giveaway. Let me just say, this episode is going to be short and sweet. We didn't spend a lot of time out in the water, so to start, this is what it looked like. Not a single bite. So we kept moving. We got back into this little creek way in the back of this highly pressured pond. And as soon as we got into that creek, that's when things started to happen. Yeah. Did I get him? Oh yeah. Woo! It's a good fish. Got him on the rat, Lila. Didn't get skunked. Oh, that's a nice little fish. Start the day on the rat. It's a nice fishy, huh? Here, Lila puts him back. Okay. Good job. Pound it. Well, I want a big one. No. And they're definitely back here in this creek, Lila. Woo! Nice little pound and some change on that one. We got another fish. Squeaker. Nice. Okay. Lila, put him back. Good job, Captain. Woo! Nice job.
I want a big one.
Oh, now you want a big one?
Yeah, Daddy want a big one.
Yeah?
Yeah. I want a big one.
Yeah, we got another one on the rat, Lila.
Maria. Want a big one?
It's a good one. Hold it like this. Hold it like this, under here. Like that. Now show Dad. Show Dad. Nice job. Woo! On the rat.
They're jumping everywhere.
I know, dude. I couldn't find them on the main lake anywhere. And then I was like, I've been watching a bunch of videos and everybody's saying like, go up the creeks during the fall.
That's what we were just saying. That's
And I came up the creek.
Are you catching fish too? Yeah? All right. Nice. Take it easy. Good luck. Have a good night.
Take care, guys.
Bye, buddy. You have a good night. Hopefully you catch a big one too.
Bye. I just have to say thank you all again for subscribing. Thanks for tuning into another episode. let's keep this ball rolling. I also have to give a huge shout out to Pete Carter and his son over at Reckless Wooden Baits. Really cool story. Monday, I'm sitting at work on the computer. I was just clicking through and I saw that Pete Carter's son, 10 years old, he just painted a bait. And it was his first time ever putting up one of his baits that he painted himself up for auction. The top dog was only at 40 bucks, so I figured I'd pledge 45 and just keep that thing moving. I didn't even think I was going to win. A couple hours later, nobody else has put a bid in, and it looked like, you know, I'm going to come away with this beautiful bait. Needless to say, I ended up winning. And the next morning, Pete contacted me. He wanted to tell me how pumped up his son was to get home from school and send me the bait. So darn cool. We started talking about kids and fishing, and I started talking about how Lyla absolutely loves to be on my boat, as you guys can see by this episode. We started talking about that, and he got all pumped up and was like, you know what, I'm gonna send your daughter a little something extra from me. So Pete went home that night and painted Lyla this incredible crankbait. It just looks gorgeous, and we showed her last night and she was like all pumped up. Oh wow, so cute, she said. It's just so cool getting the kids into the fishing game, whether it be the bait making or, you know, throwing big baits or, you know, you name it. It's just awesome having the kids be a part of this. So thanks again, Pete. Tell your son I said thank you as well. I appreciate it greatly. You guys didn't have to go the extra mile and send something for Lyla as well. That's super cool. When we get it, we're gonna do an unboxing, but thanks again. Fish on! Got one more thing for you, just a little bonus footage for you to check out. My very next time out, I went out with my buddy Kyle. We had never fished together, so he asked if I could, you know, not film for the day. So I said, okay. Of course, he lands a 6-pound bass right in front of my face, right where he says he's gonna land one. And it was pretty epic. He let me film the release, and we got some killer pictures. So here's some pictures and the release. I hope you enjoy. Fish out.
Meanwhile, across town in this less than fashionable cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner, these editors are programming today's copy of the paper into that same Ohio computer. When the telephone connection between these two terminals is made, the newest form of electronic journalism lights up Mr. Howard.